Today, we're going to introduce the best digital microscope on AliExpress. It features a 1/18 of an inch format image sensor with the Sony IMX678 chip, boasting 4K photo and 4K video resolution. It supports remote control and dedicated matching software with 4-level digital zoom. Crosshair setting is available, and it also has a measurement function. Work data can be saved to a micro SD card or directly to your computer. Now, let's take a look at the bundle of the Sony IMX678 sensor camera paired with a 215x magnification lens. Here's a 4K verification for this microscope camera under HDMI output mode, and it's true 4K. Finally, let's take a look at the bundle of the Sony IMX678 sensor camera with an 180x zoom lens and a universal reinforced metal stand. Friends, thank you for watching.